Hello, Jewel Tones, Divas, and Dons. I'd like to show you a quick and easy way to add a sales funnel and make a sale through your Shopify website. This is a great way to share products with customers that have liked your product. Now, I'm in my Shopify app on the product page that I want to share. Now I'm on a mobile device, so some of the process will be a little different from how it would be on a desktop or laptop. So this is the product that several of my customers on my post have liked. Oh, wow, we love your product. Oh, love, 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 and like. Great. What does that tell me? That they have some type of interest in this product. And I need to use this as part of my sales funnel to work them and get them onto my website for a purchase. How do I do that? Well, this is, as I said, this is my Shopify product page. In the top right corner, there are 3 dots. Now, if you're on a desktop or tablet, it will say more actions. Click that, please. Click on the 3 dots or the more actions. A new window will open up with several options. We're going to click share product. Now, you can share product to many different sites. I share all the time to Pinterest. I share all the time to Facebook. You can also share product in the mail. But for this purpose, I'm going to share to Messenger. So you'll click Messenger. As you saw, there was a more button. And because of that, you can share to many different other apps, if you like. You have the options to choose what you like. Now here it opens up another window with the product, and this will be a direct link to that product. You would like to write a message, I do, and I'm going to go ahead and enter my message here. Oh my, okay. So I'd like to say I would enter my message there. It's not letting me paste, but you could type it in there. So once I enter my message, I'm going to search for a group or person that I'd like to share it to. Oh, look, Carol Norton Tompkins, she liked it. So I'm going to send this directly to her. Or I can do multiple people at one time. Once you've entered the people that are selected, the people that you'd like to send it to, just press send. Boom. Your customer just got a direct link to this product that they liked on your website, and it will or could lead to sales. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you, Jewel Tones and Divas. Do not forget to check out my YouTube page for other interesting and profitable tips. Have a great day.